Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall CUDA toolkit for machine learning, complete guide step by step clearly. Start by verifying if the CUDA toolkit is installed on your system. Open your terminal or command prompt window. For Windows, type NVCC version and press enter. For Mac OS or Linux, enter NVCC version in the terminal. If the CUDA toolkit is installed, you will see the version number. Next, close any running applications that may be using CUDA. On Windows, go to the Control panel. Select Programs and then Programs and Features. Scroll through the list until you find the CUDA toolkit. Click on the CUDA toolkit entry to highlight it. Then, click the Uninstall button at the top of the window. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the uninstallation process. For Mac OS, open the Finder. Navigate to the Applications folder. Look for a folder named CUDA or NVIDIA GPU Computing Toolkit. Drag it to the trash to uninstall it. You may want to empty the trash afterward to free up space. For Linux, open the terminal. Type sudo apt-get remove purge NVIDIA CUDA toolkit and press enter. Enter your password if prompted. Alternatively, if you installed CUDA using a different package manager, after the uninstallation process, check for leftover files. Look in directories like /usr/local/CUDA and /usr/local/CUDA- version. Remove any remaining directories manually using sudo rmrf command. Finally, reboot your system to ensure all changes take effect. Your CUDA toolkit should now be completely uninstalled. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.